everyone, today in front of me HardReset, and I'll show you how to enter in vibration settings on this smartphone. So first you should go into the settings app and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. Here, as can you see, we got the vibration in silent mode, so we can turn on this vibration in silent mode by tap once on the switcher, and to turn it off just tap here again on the switcher. And also we can go here to the mouse settings and we can just enable the vibration one touch. So when we will just touch our screen or navigation keys, or we'll just open the applications or unlock the device, we'll feel the vibration. So, and if you want to just turn it off, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.